If you see a single ant, fly, or spider in your house today, do not ignore it, because an entire colony is already moving in. But yes, you can force every single pest out of your home right now, using only the secret ingredients hiding in your kitchen cabinets. If you are exhausted from bugs invading your space, walking over your food, and ruining your peace of mind, this video is your ultimate revenge. By the end of this, you will have 5 foolproof, completely natural weapons that will instantly turn your house into an impenetrable fortress. As someone who battled a nightmare infestation and wasted a fortune on useless, toxic exterminators, I guarantee these DIY methods will save your sanity and your wallet. But pay close attention to step number 4, because the bizarre toothpaste trick I'm going to show you eliminates the one pest everyone thinks is impossible to kill. Before we dive in, let's settle this in the comments. Which bug drives you absolutely crazy the most? Let me know down below and let's wipe them out. Put a bay leaf on the window. Your problem will disappear instantly. Bay leaves aren't just a popular spice that adds flavor and aroma to many dishes. While we mostly associate them with cooking, they also have other, lesser-known uses. It turns out they can effectively help with a very common problem in your home. Spring has arrived, the days are getting warmer, and we're opening windows more often to let in fresh air. Place bay leaves along window frames or on the windowsill. You can adjust the number of leaves depending on how strong you want the scent to be. This method keeps flies away from your home. These insects can't stand the strong smell of bay leaves. It irritates them. It's a simple, effective, and natural way to get rid of flies without using chemical insecticides. While bay leaves create a fantastic border at your windows to stop flying insects from entering, you still need to protect your indoor surfaces from the pests that crawl. To stop them from taking over your kitchen and furniture, we can create an invisible barrier that cleans your surfaces while simultaneously driving bugs away. Put cinnamon in the dish soap. This combination even surprised me. Prepare a pot and pour half a liter of water into it. Then take 2 cinnamon sticks and drop them in. Place the pot on the stove and simmer for about 5 minutes, allowing the cinnamon to release its aroma and properties. Now, pour the contents into a bowl and remove the cinnamon sticks. Next, add the dish soap, which effectively removes grease and dirt, leaving surfaces clean. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda, which helps dissolve the grime and boosts the mixture's effectiveness. Mix everything thoroughly until the ingredients combine. Prepare a spray bottle and use a funnel to pour the solution into it. Cap it, and you've got a homemade spray that will solve a specific problem in the summer. Spray it on the kitchen countertop, cabinets, bathroom tiles, or even outdoor furniture. Finish by wiping everything down with a microfiber cloth, which leaves no streaks and perfectly completes the job. With this mixture, you'll not only clean surfaces thoroughly, but also make these areas free of insects or bugs. The cinnamon scent is unpleasant for many insects, creating a natural scent barrier that bugs are reluctant to cross. That cinnamon spray works wonders for creeping insects on your counters. But if a rogue fly still manages to sneak past your window barrier, you need a heavy-duty backup plan. To conquer the airspace in your home once and for all, this next method is your ultimate active weapon. If you spot even a single fly, act immediately. It's a sign that more could be on the way. Instead of using chemical sprays, make the simple natural remedy. Pour about 10 ounces of water into a glass container. Grind a handful of cloves into a fine powder and add it to the water. Next, add 1 tablespoon of dried rosemary. Then toss in some mint, and finally, pour in some vinegar. Let this mixture sit for 24 hours. After that, strain it through a piece of gauze. Now you can use it in 3 different ways. Pour it into a spray bottle and spray areas around your balcony, windows, or doors to keep flies from entering. Another option is to pour the mixture into a small container, cover it with plastic wrap, and poke small holes in the top. This trap can be placed near doors or windows. You can also soak cotton pads in the mixture and rub them on window and door frames to create a natural barrier. This amazing blend is an effective way to keep unwanted flies out of your home. A simple, natural method for a more comfortable, insect-free space. Now that your home's airspace is completely clear of flies, we have to target the stubborn pests hiding in the dark corners of your home, like roaches and spiders. Liquid sprays won't reach them deep inside their hiding spots, so we are going to use a clever, irresistible physical trap instead. Put a ball of aluminum foil like this in your home. You'll quickly get rid of ants, moths, spiders, and cockroaches. You'll be surprised by what's hidden inside this ball. Just place it in different spots. Thanks to it, your problems with bugs and insects will disappear in seconds. So grab some aluminum foil and do what I do step by step. Tear off or cut a piece of aluminum foil with scissors. Get some sugar. This treat attracts ants, flies, and cockroaches. Pour 2 tablespoons of sugar into a small bowl. Add 1 heaping tablespoon of toothpaste. Every toothpaste has ingredients insects don't like. That's why toothpaste is often used to fight and repel all kinds of bugs. Add a little citrus peel. It can be grated lemon, lime, or orange peel. Mix everything together. Scoop some onto the aluminum foil and wrap it into a ball. Use a toothpick to poke holes in it all over. This will work on ants, cockroaches, and moths. Place these balls in different corners, especially in the kitchen and bathroom. Put them in cabinets, too. You won't see ants or moths anymore. I'm sure you'll love this simple trick. That foil trick is an absolute lifesaver for bathrooms and under the sink, but when it comes to the food in your pantry, you need a completely dry, aromatic solution. If pantry moths and kitchen ants are your worst nightmare, this final method is your ultimate defense to keep your food perfectly safe. If you do this, moths, ants, and cockroaches will flee from your home. You'll never have bugs in your kitchen again. If you spot pantry moths in your kitchen, act immediately. These insects can infest anywhere that's dry and has plenty of food. Grab a bowl and some ground coffee. 3 tablespoons will be perfect. Coffee gives off a strong scent that repels insects, discouraging them from settling in cupboards or pantries. Take a few bay leaves and crush them into smaller pieces. Bay leaves also work as a natural repellent due to their strong essential oils, which insects avoid. Add a tablespoon of ground pepper as well. Pepper contains piperine, which irritates insects. It not only repels bugs, but also disrupts their communication and navigation abilities. Wrap everything in a small packet and poke holes in it. Place it in different areas. Ants, flies, moths, and aphids avoid areas where they smell these spices. Putting them where insects appear helps protect your food from pests. Now that your home is finally a bug-free zone, I want to hear from you. Which of these 5 natural tricks are you going to try first today? Or maybe you have your own secret family remedy for getting rid of pests that I didn't mention. Drop it in the comments below so we can all test it out. And if this video helped you save money and avoid toxic chemicals, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. We are building a community of people who want a clean, safe, and clever home, and I'd love for you to be a part of it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.